boring? It's definitely not about us, because we have so many funny things to do this summer. Make flamingo ice cream, a bunch of Chupa Chups, or a palm leaf umbrella, and break open a piñata. Watch these and other great ideas in our new summer video. Is it way too hot in this world? Hurry up and hide under my eco-friendly palm leaf umbrella. We will need an umbrella frame. Attach artificial palm leaves to the ribs. Cover the entire umbrella in this way. It's a great idea to get a palm leaf umbrella on such a hot day. It's an awesome sample of a new tropical collection. We'll be protected from sun rays under the palm leaves of the umbrella. Nature protects us. Redhead is painting outdoors. She creates a new collection of clothes. Is she measuring proportions? Or just spinning a brush in her hand and pretending to look busy? Let's measure the size of the model's head. Excellent! Dolly is sure that her friend is painting her portrait. But why does she need a carton of eggs then? Make 2 holes on the opposite sides of an egg. Make one hole a bit bigger. Use a toothpick to mix everything inside and take out the contents with a syringe. Prepare a few eggs in this way. Hot glue the smaller hole. Add some water to acrylic paints of different colors. Fill the syringe with it and pour it into the eggshell. Hot glue the rest of the holes. Redhead aims an egg at her friend. Hey, is it a new painting technique? But all the eggs fly directly to the painted t-shirt. This is what we call expressionism. The same print appears on Dolly's t-shirt all of a sudden. It's so amazing! Redhead is a true born designer. It's scorching! Will we arrange a flower photo shoot? No way! We are sick and tired of these flower pictures. What are we going to do then? We are in urgent need of fresh ideas. Let's eat something nutritious. Maybe then some idea will come to my mind. Dolly brings ice cream. By the way, this is an idea. Let's arrange an ice cream photo shoot. Blow up small balloons. Attach double-sided tape across the edge of a printed wafer pattern base. Make a cone. Cut off the excess. Attach gathered pleats of tissue paper to the edge of the cone and tape a balloon into the cone. Decorate it with colored strips of tissue paper, imitating sprinkles. Redhead tries to bite a piece of the balloon ice cream. Oops! It seems that the weird ice cream has just popped. But Dolly is unstoppable. A giant cone comes onto Redhead from above. Watch out! Draw squares on a big beige paper piece. Make it look like a wafer pattern. Roll it to make a giant cone. Cut off the excess. Attach colored tissue paper gathered in pleats. Blow up a big pink balloon. Attach it into the cone. Decorate the balloon ice cream with strips of colored tissue paper. The photo shoot will be amazing. The balloon ice cream looks great in shots. Choose a giant or small one. Smile and scream ice cream instead of cheese. The great thing is that this ice cream will never melt. You can continue taking photos all day long. Summer is a beautiful time of the year. Amazing flowers bloom on flower beds. Something weird has bloomed in our park, too. It's a bunch of Chupa Chups. Remove wrappers from Chupa Chups and paint the sticks green. Take buds off an artificial flower bouquet and put the lollipops onto the stalks. Hot glue. Tie up the bouquet with ribbon. A bunch of lollipops has grown in a garden. The blue-eyed girl tastes the lollipop. Real flowers are not as delicious as these lollipops, and Dolly just picks one lollipop from the bouquet. These lollipop flowers won't last long when your friends are around. Summertime boredom. What to do? The head refuses to work because of this heat. We wish we were at a tropical resort